This video is about unboxing and not actually using this tool a whole lot. At the end I will use it, but before you waste your time watching the whole video, this is the Makita chain mortiser, and I'm going to be showing you my experience purchasing it from Timberwolf Tools. This is for you to know what it comes like, what you get when it arrives, and how they package it. I was really happy. If you're going to buy from someone, they were the best deal I found. I just got a new tool. Showed up from Timberwolf Tool. They have this nice note. Plenty of fragile signs. Fragile, fragile, fragile. 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 Fragiline. It's all over. Let's open it up. Warranty manual. Won't be needing that. Letter from Timberwolf Tools. So I read through this. Basically, warranty information. I should fill out that card, register the tool. It's probably easier to get a service in the future. What to do if anything's broken. How to basically cover their butts so they're not liable for anything dumb that I do accidentally. I've looked through a manual online already. There's a lot more information. The one online looked like it was from way back when this thing was first designed, I think like 1979. It's literally like 7 pages, so it's super simple. They've got nice pictures. Basically what you need to know that I didn't, there should be a 3/8 inch gap when you're adjusting the clamping mechanism. 5 to 6 millimeters or 3/16 to 1/4 inch slack in the chain. And then don't slam down on this collet. There's a hook that allows you to drop. If you damage that, that's on you. I think those are the really important ones that I did not know until reading this manual. They really do package this thing like Fort Knox, which I'm not going to complain about. That sounds like something, obviously. Got oil. Wrench came with it as well. You have your millimeter markings on there. There's a lot better videos explaining how to use this thing. Check out Shelter Institute. Luckily I had an old boss who lent me one, same model, to try out, and so that was very generous of him. Dan Waite at Frontier Builders Incorporated in Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin. If you need a real timber frame or a real log home built, contact them. They do good work. I hope this isn't getting too long. All right, cool. I'm gonna set up a beam. We're gonna do a plunge cut.